Hey everybody, Varun here once again from 𝘀𝗿𝗍𝗃𝗲𝗄 Academy. Guys, this video, Pearson has recently introduced a new scoring guide. Earlier there used to be version 1. On July 10th this month, 2019, they have published a new scoring guide which is version 2. And there are few changes, not a lot changes, but few changes to the scoring guide which I'll be discussing in this video. Very first thing to tell you that in July earlier this month, Pearson had a meeting and there were several points were discussed that yes, these changes should be made or these changes should be made. This is how we can make the test better. Especially points were raised for right from dictation, that how it should be marked, is it fair or it's not fair, and then for the reading pattern as well, how reading should be in the exam, because some students used to get reading and writing blanks in the beginning, others used to get MCQ multiples in the beginning, right? So it wasn't certain and students used to get panic when they went for the exam. They were not really sure what's going to be next, right? So as far as I have analyzed the score guide, I can't really find any major changes. Pearson hasn't mentioned or hasn't changed anything in relation to right from dictation marking. If I find it out later, I'll be sure back with another video and we'll discuss it with you guys. But the change which I have figured it out is Pearson has made a definite structure of how your reading structure or reading section will appear in the exam, right? Earlier in the beginning, it used to be something like this: MCQ singles in the beginning, MCQ multiples afterwards, and then they used to give you reorders and then reading blanks and then reading and writing blanks. Now what I can see in this score guide is, first of all, the very first thing what they have mentioned is reading and writing fill in the blanks, right? So the very first thing which you will get in your exam when you sit for your reading section is reading and writing blanks. After that you will get MCQ multiple answers. After that your reorder paragraphs. Then your reading fill in the blanks, which are your drag and drop, and finally your MCQ single answer at the end, right? This will give you a clear idea, or this will help you to be definite, be certain that what is going to be the next task in the exam, and you can manage your time accordingly. Because otherwise students used to struggle. They were not really sure what's going to be at the end of the reading section or in the beginning. Now you have a definite idea. Most probably the sequence in the exam will be same as reading and writing again, beginning, then you have got MCQ multiple answers, reorder paragraphs in the middle, third task, then you have got reading fill in the blanks, drag and drop, and then you have got MCQ single answers, right? So you have a clear idea what you will get in the reading section, how you have to manage your time. So you can plan beforehand, before going for the exam, that how much time you need to spend in the first task, because first is very, very important. Reading and writing blanks, you have enough time, you can manage your time accordingly. Because earlier if you used to get MCQ single in the beginning or multiples in the beginning, students used to spend a lot of time and then they used to struggle to finish their reading fill in the blanks. But now you have got them in the very beginning, so you can spend ample amount of time over here. And then MCQ multiple answers, as you know, you don't really need to spend a lot of time. Then you have got reorders and reading blanks, drag and drop. You can spend a lot of time over there as well. MCQ single answers, which are not very important, are at the end, right? So guys, these are the changes which I have figured out. If there are any more changes, I'll be back with another video. I hope this gives you a few idea about what are the changes. Not any major change, but just a change in the sequence of your reading section. And hopefully you all will get the same sequence as mentioned in the guide over here. No changes in the marking of dictation as far as is mentioned in the guide. But if still our team is busy analyzing the changes and difference between the two score guides, the previous one and this one. So if we find out or figure out any more changes, we'll be back with another video. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any doubts, let us know. We'll try to answer all of them. And also guys, remember this thing. If you need any help, if you are going for the exam, make sure you practice, you believe in yourself, never ever give up. You all will do it. All the very best guys. Keep on practicing. I'll see you very soon in another video. Thanks guys.